Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Hope all of you are doing good. Now for today's menu we have the Kala Chana or the Black Chana Curry. Now as you know, this black chana is a rich source of fiber and protein, and it's also good for the diabetic people. So let's get on with the recipe. I've taken Kala Chana and soaked it overnight and drained the water out, and I have made a paste of onion. Earlier I had made a paste of ginger and garlic. Into that same grinder I'm putting the onion after I've removed the ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to make a paste of this onion also. I will remove this onion paste, and into the same grinder I'm going to add the tomato and make a paste of it as well. And along with this tomato I'm going to add some green chilies. Let me add these green chilies now, yes. And then I'm going to make a paste of this. So here the tomato paste is also ready. Now we will add mustard oil into the pressure cooker. If you don't use mustard oil, you can use the other vegetable oil. Let it come to a smoking heat if it's mustard oil. And then you add a bay leaf into it and the ginger garlic paste. You can cover it for some time because it will splutter a lot. Just stir it for some time and then you add the onion paste into it. And then now you start frying this paste. We have another recipe about the kabuli chana, that is the chickpeas, in which I've made a very simple, easy dish to be given as a lunchbox recipe. You can click onto the I button or see the link in the description box. You'll need to fry it for quite some time till the onion changes the color to a light brown. And then once it has changed the color, just lower the flame and then you add the tomato paste, in which I had added the green chilies as well, and start frying it again. When you start frying, you increase the flame and then fry it. Along with this you add a few spices. First the salt, then you add the turmeric powder, and then finally the red chili powder. You need to add very least spices in this, and yes, you add a little bit of garam masala into it. And then finally you add tomato ketchup. You can make use of all the sachets that you get. This is a tomato sachet that I had got along with some snacks maybe. So you can add one sachet for, I've used 1 cup of black chana. So you use 1 sachet for it. Now give it a good stir and fry it very well, around 5 to 7 minutes. The masalas have to be fried well. After you see that the spices have been fried well, you lower the flame and then add the kala chana, that is the black chana. This had been soaked overnight and washed and drained well. It is not boiled, it is just soaked. Now increase the flame and start frying this. Start mixing it with all the masalas. The masalas will get coated into this chana, and finally you add the hot water into it. See that the water covers the chana completely. Give it a stir and then cover it and let it come to a full pressure, or you can give 1 whistle. After it gives its first whistle, you're going to lower the flame and then keep it on a low flame for around 20 to 25 minutes. I'm just going to shift the cooker to that side which has a lower flame, because I'm going to put the rice as well on this side. Now let that remain for 20 minutes. It may give many more whistles, but let it cook on its own. After that, after it is cooked for 20 minutes, you switch off the gas flame and let it cool on its own. Here I've put the rice to cook on the other side. Now after 20 minutes, I will put this cooker onto a high flame again. By that time, the cooker's lid can be opened easily. I'm going to check and see if it is cooked. Once it's cooked, it will be cooked. In fact, you can check the salt also at this time. I'm going to let it simmer for quite some time to decrease the water content. Now if you're going to serve it with rice, you can keep this much of gravy. But if you plan to serve it with parathas, then decrease the gravy. So here it is ready to be served. Garnish it with lots of coriander leaves. That will give an added taste to it. Do give this recipe a try. It is a one-pot meal, very easy to make, and it saves a lot of time. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So till we meet again in the next video, it is bye-bye. And here is the ingredients list for you to see.